Hi YouTube, this is the President Michael back with another unboxing video. I have another one of these picked up at Walmart. It's by MJ Olin Company. You're guaranteed one memorabilia card, one autograph card in every box, and then you get one fat pack and two foil packs. So let's see what's inside, shall we? At least this one is a game used one, unlike the last one, which was one of those patch cards. You see, the autograph card is Juan Salas, Tampa Bay Rays, 2007 Upper Deck Series 2. I might have met him. Pretty cool. At least this one's thrown in put in a wrapper. The other autograph card was just, I think was it just thrown in there? Yeah, I think so. And the game used one is Jordan Zimmermann, 2013 Alan Chinter. Sweet looking card. And then the packs, here's like usual, the Babe Ruth one. And then 2013 Topps. Then the fat pack is 2015 Update Series. So we'll open up the Babe Ruth. We already know what it's going to be. Very much doubt you're going to find an autograph card in this thing. But it would be cool. Yeah, this is typical stuff. Let's open up the 2013 Topps. Probably just be commons. Yeah, nothing too special. Nothing signed or game used, unfortunately. Alright. Let's try the fat pack. Whew. Let's see. Well, nice. You get a numbered card, well, it's gold one, of Jake Leathersich, numbered 1582 of 2015. And then it's numbered, like I said, numbered on the back. Pretty cool. Actually, I got another numbered card. It's a pink one, so this looks like a good one. Brock Holt, number 16 of 50. So that's a nice card there. So that was a good one. Now let's see the second half. Okay, nothing signed, but the game uses mainly just usual common stuff. So, let's see. Four actually good cards. You got the autographed, just to recap, Juan Salas, 2007 Upper Deck. Nice. A Jordan Zimmermann game used card, Alan Chinter, 2013. A numbered card of Jack Leathersich, I think that's right how you say his name, 1582 2015. This is 2015 Topps. And then a Brock Holt, 2015 Topps, 16 of 50. Pretty nice. Okay, that is it. If you have any comments, questions, please put them below. I'm always happy to answer your questions. I look forward to talking to you again soon. Bye, everybody. Bye.